Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Long time no see. I know I have been MIA. Has been crazy. I don't know how people that like actually upload like 3 times a week, I don't understand how they do it, because I feel like my life is not busy at all and I can never find time to film a video. But anyway, my setup looks a little different today. I am not at home. I'm actually house sitting until the 7th. So that's why it looks different. And I apologize. My washi just fell. I apologize if there's an echo. I am filming in their kitchen, so I didn't realize it was going to be as echoey as it is. And also the weird camera angle. I don't think it looks that bad, but I'll try and zoom you guys in as much as possible so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing. Okay, so like I said, I'm house sitting this week. I pulled out they left me some pet sitting / house sitting instructions. So I'm gonna just write down some stuff in here. And then this week is actually my mom's birthday. Her birthday is on the 6th. So I'm going to try and work around that too. I don't really know exactly what we're doing yet, but I brought some washies with me, but they're not, I feel like they all don't go together. I was actually just kind of picking random ones out. So I have this one, which I actually used on my spread last week for my birthday, because my birthday was on Wednesday, March 28th. And then I have these. I also use this to like put a banner on the day that it was my birthday. So I might do that for my mom's. And then I got these too. I don't think you could see that. But I don't know how all these are really gonna fit into the spread because they're all different. And then the only other thing that I brought were just my, like my Happy Planner sticker books. So any stickers that I use are gonna be from those. I will try and link down the ones that I use. I also just brought this. I don't think I'll use this, but I brought it just because it has so many stickers left in there. And then I also have my stickers from Michael's, the Recollections stickers. I have these in there. Before we start, I just want to remind you, if you are not subscribed, what are you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below, and also hit the notification bell so you don't miss when I upload a video, because I guess YouTube is doing something different now. So even if you are subscribed to me, you may not even see my videos. So yeah, make sure you hit the notification bell so you know when I upload a video. I am out of breath and I do not know why. Okay, let's get started because this intro is hella long. So I actually did not like the way that washi was coming out. Like, I felt like the colors were off because it was pink. So I just took it off and put it on the monthly spread. So I'll have to incorporate that in the monthly spread. I didn't want to waste it. So I'm going to switch it out with this washi, because I feel like it fits the color scheme more. So yeah. right, you guys, that is it for this week's plan with me. I feel like this one took so long for me to do. And I barely did anything. So I left a lot of the weekend blank just because I'm not entirely sure what we're doing. I haven't confirmed the plans for my mom's birthday. I know on Thursday, me and my sister have to pick up some things for her birthday. So I will write that in later. And then on Saturday, I'm supposed to be meeting a friend of mine, but I'm not entirely sure what we're going to do yet. So that's why I just left it like that. And then Sunday, hopefully will be a chill day. And I will add stickers if that's the case, but you just never know. But anyways, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comments down below. Like I said earlier, don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. Leave me a like if you did like the video. Leave me a like even if you didn't like the video, you know, help me out over here. But yeah, I hope you guys are having an awesome week, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.